Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to fix the lag which is occurring on Clash Royale. And if you want to fix the lag occurring on a Clash Royale account, but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that your device is connected to a strong Wi-Fi, or make sure that your mobile data is on a device. So if you have not enabled both of it, then you won't be able to fix the issue of lag on it. But if you are still down on both and you are still facing the issue of lag, then you just need to turn on the airplane mode for a few seconds, which helps you to reset the network settings of your device and helps your game run smooth. So turn off the airplane mode and check if your game is running smoothly or not. And if your game is still not running smoothly, then you just need to go on Play Store or App Store on your device, and from here you just need to search the app Clash Royale and check if there is any update available for that. So if there is any update available for the Clash Royale app, update it and check if your game is running smoothly or not. So if your game is still not running smoothly, then you just need to go to settings on a device, and from here you just need to search the app Clash Royale. So search the app Clash Royale, and here you'll see the option of storage on your Android. So click on the option of clear cache at the very bottom. So if you are using it on your iPhone, then you just need to open general or settings on your iPhone and click on the option of general, and from there scroll down until you find the option of Clash Royale. So after opening Clash Royale, you'll see the option of offload app. So click on the option of offload app to clear the cache of your iPhone. So by doing all of it, you'll be able to fix the lag issue on Clash Royale. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.